here are Caro and Karina again. So today we would like to have a closer look at the pelvic curl with you. So Caro, if you would please lie on your back again. Have your legs bent, feet hip width apart. Bring your pelvis into a neutral position. So hip bones and pubic bone are on the same height. We discussed this in the last video. Ribs are gliding down, connecting with your hips. Your arms are pulling down towards your feet, and it would be ideal if you open your palms up towards the ceiling. That would open your chest and keep your shoulders relaxed. Lengthen through the crown of your head, really here in the back. Now place your feet flat down on the mat and slightly push them into the mat. And now imagine you pull your heels closer towards your bottom, so you should feel your hamstrings engaging. On your next exhale, you want to tuck the pelvis backwards, your tailbone comes off, and you roll vertebra by vertebra, your pelvis up into the shoulder bridge. Keep your knees parallel. On inhale, lengthen, and then on exhale, sort of melt down from your thoracic spine, all the way down through your lumbar spine into neutral position. Inhale again. On your exhale, the pelvis tucks backwards. You can see that really nicely here with Caro, how the belly button goes in, relaxes. On inhale, stay up here, open the chest, always have your hamstrings working, and then roll one vertebra at a time back down. Imagine sort of a bit, you put a lot of paint along your spine, and when you roll up, you leave an imprint on the mat. So you really want to go vertebra by vertebra. Inhale and exhale, coming back down. Important is really to keep your shoulders relaxed, especially when you're coming down, and not pull the shoulders up towards your ear. Good, thank you, Caro. Now let's give you a few variations here. For our next variations, place your feet in a small V. So your heels are together while your toes are open. Therefore, your knees are slightly open as well. Again, inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, tuck your pelvis backwards, draw the abdominals towards your spine, and roll up. So you feel here that it is a bit easier to articulate your spine, and your glutes are doing a lot more work here than your hamstrings in the previous variation we showed you. Inhale and exhale, tuck, belly button in, rolling up. Yes, inhale, stay up and smile, Caro. And exhale, come back down. Good. And then one more variation, which is quite advanced, but let's go through this. Single leg pelvic curl. So keep your left leg on the mat while the right leg comes into tabletop. And try and keep the 90 degrees here. Now the same thing, on your exhale, your pelvis tucks backwards. You activate your hamstrings here, rolling up. Try and keep your pelvis nice and square. And on your exhale, start with your chest coming back down. Now, if you struggle here with your palms up to the ceiling, you could also turn them back down to support yourself a bit more. Rounding, rolling up. Inhale, stay up, really lengthen here. And exhale, vertebra by vertebra, come back down. And that was the pelvic curl for you.